Okay, so there's a massive change of plan. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm really sorry that I've not been vlogging over the last week or so. I've just been super busy working on this builderall relaunch. It's been going amazingly. So last time I did a vlog, I told you there was a massive competition happening for the builderall relaunch. So they're redoing the whole platform, and then there was a massive relaunch taking place and a big competition for all of the affiliates. And if you win a Mercedes, a brand new Mercedes. And I said in that video, I'm setting my goal to win that car. I'm going to put everything I can into winning that car, and that is exactly what I've been doing. So I'm winning at the moment. I'm top of the leaderboard. I've won all of the, there's been some little competitions throughout the week. I've won all of them. So I'll just show you now. So this is the leaderboard. So as you can see, I'm currently first place with 77 sales in just over a week, which is absolutely crazy because I was selling like an average of 2 accounts per day recently, and I've smashed them goals. I'm currently way up in first place. And yeah, so basically first day of the launch I was first place, so I got a $500 bonus. Second day I was first place. Third day I was first place, so I've won like $1,500 there. And 10 days after launch, it's not been updated yet because I think that was yesterday, but I was first place for that as well. So it's been an absolute amazing week. It's been crazy. I have been working really hard, building funnels, trying different angles, putting a lot of effort, time, and spending money on advertising as well. But it's really paying off, and I've sold 77 accounts, which is crazy. And yeah, I've smashed all of my goals. And I just want to say, it just goes to show you that if you've got the right drive or the right kick up your arse, you can smash all of your goals. Because I was hitting like 2 accounts per day, and I thought I was working really hard and I was putting all of my effort in. But as soon as there was a different incentive in place, I've absolutely smashed my goals, and I'm hitting like 10 accounts per day now. So whatever goals you've got, make sure you times them by 10, because this just goes to show you that I wasn't setting my goals high enough. I said in 2018 I wanted to have 100 people signed up. That was my main goal. I've got over 230 odd people signed up now. And I was averaging like 2 accounts a day, and now I'm getting 10 accounts per day. So yeah, if you put the effort in, you can actually achieve even greater stuff. So make sure you set some big massive goals and crush them. So spent the morning in the villa just replying to emails and things like that, getting loads of admin bits done. Now I'm just off to a cafe to do some work from there. I need to upload some training that I've recently finished for my team, and I need to start to explore new traffic sources because I need to make sure I'm definitely winning this car, and I can't just stay consistent. I need to keep taking it up a level and up a level to make sure I hit those sales. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day. Hi guys, so back at the villa now. I've had a really productive day, spent most of the day just in a cafe, sorting out that training. So I've uploaded my training for my team, and I've also started to set some adverts going. Kind of looking into doing some Google display ads because I've heard they're quite cheap, so I'm trying out some experiments with that. We'll see how it goes, and I'll let you know if it actually works. So that's what I was doing today. Now I'm back at the villa because I'm going to do a new sales video for a new funnel which I'm working on. So that's what I'm doing for the rest of the evening. Good morning guys, it's Tuesday morning, just woken up. Yeah, so I had a really bad sleep. I was working late last night as well, and now I've got some coaching calls. I've got 3 back-to-back coaching calls in the next half an hour starting. So I need to get up, wake up, jump in the shower, and then jump on them calls. So I've just finished the coaching calls now. They went really well, which was good. But I've just looked at my Facebook page, and I have got like over 300 people to reply to. Basically, I put a post out yesterday giving away some free emails, but it's had some great responses, and I need to get back to everyone. And I've got loads of other stuff to do, so I think today is the day that I'm gonna actually have to get someone to help me. So I'm gonna have to hire like a virtual assistant just to help reply to messages and things like that. Because I've had like 85 people join my builderall team in the last week, and I've got like over 240 people on my team at the moment. so obviously that takes up a lot of my time, and I've got loads of other things going on, so I think I just need to get someone to help me out. Someone messaged me the other day asking if I need help with anything, so I'm going to test it out and see whether it works and get them to help me reply to some people and things. We'll see how it goes. So I've managed to get this guy to help me out. So he's created a Facebook profile like Liam James K's team, and he's going to help me send things out to people that are asking for information, which is going to be a massive help, and it's a massive weight off my shoulder. But it's just crazy that I'm at a stage where I'm getting people to help me. But yeah, I'm going to try and outsource more things from now on and get people to help me out with like the admin side of things, because I like to be very hands-on and kind of do everything myself, because I feel like only I know how to do it. But that's kind of like counterproductive, because actually I could be spending more time building funnels or actually mentoring people and things like that. So yeah, I'm going to try and outsource more things. Now I'm just off to a cafe just to do a bit more work and grab a coffee. Okay, so there's a massive change of plan. We've just been sat in the coffee shop doing work and just made the decision to leave Bali and go back to Manchester. So we're going to get a plane today to go back to the UK, mainly because there's been some massive earthquakes here recently, and there's been some more. It's still quite high risk at the moment, and like the building we were in started breaking. So we think we're just going to go home, but also I'm missing my family. I've been out here for a while, so it kind of feels the right time to go home. Not sure how long I'm going to be there for or what's going to happen next, but I'm basically getting a flight tonight to go home. So bags are packed, just about to get a taxi to the airport to leave Bali. It's crazy, it's an end of an era. I don't have a clue what we're going to do when we get to the UK, because I don't actually have a house or a flat or anything to live in, because I got rid of it all to move out here. But we'll sort it out when we get there. It's all part of the journey, it's all part of the fun, so we'll see how it goes. Absolutely knackered. We've just arrived in the Philippines because stupidly we booked a really stupid flight because it was all last minute and loads of people were leaving Bali. So we have to go to the Philippines and then to Dubai and then to Manchester, so it's like a 25-hour journey. But yeah, the second flight's down. We've just arrived in Dubai. Now there's just one more 8-hour flight until we get back to the UK. Can't wait. So after 3 different flights and like over 26 hours of traveling, I finally arrived back in Manchester. You might notice that I'm currently in a hotel, and that is because I don't have anywhere to live. I also don't have any belongings apart from just my bags, literally what I've got, my clothes in my bag, because I got rid of everything to move out to Bali. So I've got my laptop and a few clothes and that's it. So it's quite daunting that I've kind of got to start from scratch again, but also quite exciting as well. And it's good that I'm able to do this with the work that I'm doing, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm going to sort that out, have a think about what I'm going to do. But first of all, I need to get some proper British food down me. So that's what I'm going to do first. Good morning guys, so it's Thursday morning. I've just woken up in Manchester and it's absolutely freezing. I feel like I've been hit by a truck because I'm knackered, obviously because I've missed out on a night's sleep because of the jet lag and all that. Now I'm just going to go to a gym that's got a sauna and try and wake up a little bit. Then I need to buy some jeans because all I've got is shorts. And then we need to try and find somewhere to live, and I need to see my family, and there's so much to do, so yeah, let's do it. Good morning guys, so it's Saturday morning. I've woken up and I'm in a really good mood today because I've just basically checked the builderall leaderboard and I've sold over 101 accounts during the competition. It's crazy because if you've been watching my vlogs, you'll know that my main goal this year for 2018 was to sell 100 accounts, to get 100 active people on builderall so I could win that car bonus, the $500 per month car bonus, and I smashed that recently, which was amazing. But that took me a good few months to sell 100 accounts, and I've just gone and sold over 100 accounts in 2 weeks. So I'm so happy that I've smashed all of my previous goals, and it just shows you that I need to be aiming higher and setting even higher goals. But yeah, it's amazing. So I'm in such a good mood. I'm gonna turn off the vlog now. I'm gonna go and chill with my family, have a little celebration drink, and chill out with them, because I've obviously missed them while I've been in Bali. And then I'll upload the vlog probably tomorrow. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And until next time, cheers guys.